this is PC Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change the pointer size on your MacBook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. In macOS, Apple allows you to easily increase the size of the mouse or trackpad cursor on the screen, which is great if you find it difficult. If you're having a hard time working out when the cursor on your Mac screen move or change to an insertion point, crosshair, hand, or other shape, it's worth making it bigger. In this video, we'll show you how to do it. It's so simple. So first, you can just open your system preferences on your MacBook to make your pointer size bigger or smaller. Now you can just click on accessibility. From here, you can go to display section. From display, you can go to pointer. You can click on pointer. And here, you can see there is an option, pointer size. You can adjust the size of your pointer on your MacBook. If you want to make it larger, you can slide to right like this. And as you can see, the pointer is getting bigger, larger, like this. And if you want to make it smaller, you can just slide this to the left like this. So simple, right? If you want to make it bigger, just slide to just here. So that is how to change the pointer size on your MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.